It's a nice day out today, so maybe what we'll do is we'll finish off this area here. Or just put the boards up anyways. Now we're ready to start trimming and boxing these beams in. Alright. I'm here by myself. I don't have the cameraman person with me today. She's at home. So, when there's something to show you, I'll video it. We'll talk to you in a bit. Alright, we got most of the boards off. We got to scribe and trim. Got to bring a jigsaw or a skill saw and finish off the two ends. I think I figured out how to trim the backside off. I think that looks alright. We can put some 1.5 inch trim on it later if we want to, but it kind of finishes it off. I think it looks alright. Lots of trim work yet to do, but do a little bit at a time. Starting to look good. Alrighty, talk to you later. Warm day, starting to melt. You can see the table. I think he's a little bit peeved off. There's no water in the slough. Well, there's water, but it's froze. I think he's here a little early. It's going to be a while.